Payments made. Learn how to record payments made to vendors in Zoho Books accurately and efficiently. This tutorial explains how to apply payments against bills, track cleared and pending payments, and maintain accurate accounts payable records. Managing payments properly ensures timely settlements, smooth cash flow, and organized financial records. You can use two methods for payments. First option is payments made. Second option is record payment. We will discuss payments made method. Select Purchases module. Select Payments made. By clicking this new button or by clicking this plus mark, you can create a new payment. First, you need to select the vendor. After you select the vendor, you can view the vendor details, and you can view the total outstanding, and you can view the outstanding bills. So this payment number you can set up from here. And you can enter the amount you are paying. System will ask message, would you like this amount to be reflected in the payments fields? So if you click yes, it will fill these details. You click yes, it will fill the details. So we will remove again. Next, you need to select the payment date, and you can select the payment mode. From here you can select bank remittance, bank transfer, cash, check, credit card, or if you want to add additional payment mode, by clicking this configure payment mode, you can add the payment mode. By clicking new, add new, you can add new payment mode, and you can save. In addition to that, you can set up a default payment mode. Now mostly you are paying checks, you can mark as default for check. Now this is the default payment mode. Like that, you can create a new payment mode and set up default payment mode. Next, you can select the paying bank, paid through bank, and if you are paying checks, you can enter the check number under reference, or if you are transferring from bank transfer, paying from bank transfer, you can enter the bank transfer reference number here. After that, you can select to which bill you are paying. Now here we are paying 2000, so you can select the you can enter the payment amount for paying bills. You can type like this, or by clicking this pay in full, it will fill. Right. Now like that you can enter the payment, and now we have paid 2000, and we have settled 800 we have settled. So from here you can view amount paid 2000, amount used for payment 800, and amount in excess 1200. So you can settle another bill. Now you can see that excess amount is 0. So like that, you can settle your invoices. Now assume if you are not paying for this bill and there's a excess, you can save with the excess amount. When you are, we will add a new one, so we will enter 1200, and now its excess amount is 0. We will save. Now we have entered the payment. And you can view the settled invoices from here. And you can view the journal entries. Right, assume now we have excess payment. Now we are paying 1000 and we are not settling for any bills. So we will save as paid. So then system will ask excess payment. You are about to record an excess payment of 1000. So this will be stored as a credit for the vendor. So continue to save. Now here we haven't select any bill, or in previous one we have selected bill, so that settled one we can view from here. So like that you can create payments made. In our next video we will discuss how to settle from record payment.